Jamaica, shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck knows say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. I don't think I'm going to set up right here though, cause I'm just going to do some lure casting out. But hold this for me. Just find a rig in there that's already pre-tied, and don't put your reel down in the sand. But you take that bucket and put the rod in it or something heavy in it and put it in the bucket. Let it stand up in that bucket. Never put on your reel in the sand, because the sand goes up into the reel and damages it. You understand? So put a rock in that, something heavy, and then put the rod in it. You understand, cuz? Yeah, guys, so welcome to the channel. I got some guys over here fishing, but let's see if we can pick something up here. You got it? That can't fit, cuz. That can't fit, cuz. Just put the rock and lean it on the rock, bro. Just lean it up on the rock like this. Like this. Put your reel up there like that, so it don't go in the sand. You know what I'm saying? As long as the reel don't go down in the sand, you're good. Alright guys, we're trying to figure this out on Jamaican shore fishing. Let's get some fishing in. Ah shit, I just got a wind knot. Yep, I just got it. It came out. Nope, it's in it still. Got a wind knot, guys. I hate that. Let's get that lure right there. I see it. I just gotta take my time and pull this shit out. It's a pain in the ass at times, but you just have to be patient with it, guys, and get it out. And not go yanking on it and tighten it up even more than already necessary to do. Alright? So take your time, be patient, and pull them out. Let's get back at it, Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, let's get that out there again. There's a barrel out here with my name on it. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, let's grab something, guys. Because there's a drop off here about 18 to 19 feet deep. You hear? I might change off to my other black back with silver Azori crystal minnow. I don't know yet. Let's see what's up. It's actually high tide now, so I'm not really worried about going down too low. There's bait fish in the water, so there's barras hanging around. Weather's on us, guys. We got bad weather at sea. You setting up because you found a rig? Alright, rig them up. Alright, cuz it's setting up. I hope I don't hit any debris over here. If not, I'm gonna have to get wet today. Trying to keep that lure up high. that little sporadic move this lure makes at times. I'm gonna head over to this side because I've got the rods up, bait breaking up. When you're ready to go out, you let me know here. When you're ready to go out, get your bait and everything cut up and everything. All right. Yeah, guys. So there's a little spot right here, but I don't know. I think there's some debris in the water or something. I don't know. Get a few casts and see if I can get it in there without hurting myself. That's what I don't want, guys, is hitching up on something in the water, and that's gonna get me in trouble. I could walk this stretch, but we're not gonna go over that side today because it's throwing out bait, getting bait ready. There's a little drop off right here. Yeah, the weather's definitely on us, guys. Ooh, Barra grabbed it and let go. You seen him? He chased it and grabbed it. It was a little small one. Fish on. Got him. Woohoo. Fish on. Gotcha. Barra. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, boy. We do this for real, Jamaican shore fishing. They say, my name is on the barra today, cuz. There's a barra out there with my name on it, guys. We call it. That's it. Oh boy, shore fishing. Woo-hoo. Get my hook out of your mouth, boy. Got him, guys. Yeah, cuz, let's get that shot in. Oh boy, quick and fast, guys, no joke. Quick and fast, Jamaican shore fishing. This is it right here. Got him, guys. Yeah. Oh. That's what's up. Yep, there was a barra out here with my name on it for sure, shore fishing. Open that cooler up, cuz. Drop him in. He chased. There was another one out there too, you know. There's more than one of them. Nice boy too, you know. Yeah. Nice shore fishing. That's one down. Let's get back at it. That's what's up, guys. Let's get back up here. Like I told you, because there's bait fish, there's barras. Son of a bitch. One more roll. Let's get him again. I'm gonna walk the plank, cuz. You can get out. Let me show you one more time again, cuz. Watch me, look. You have 1 foot off that swivel. You come up, bails up in the air like this. Bring your finger back on here. unlock the bail like this, right? So bring that around. No, cuz you're not following my instructions, cuz. You have to have 1 foot of line from here to the swivel. Make sure you have that space up there. All right? And how you do that? Oi, you don't need to go all the way up there. Bring your rod back in your hand, cuz. Bring your rod back up in your hand. You missed the hole. Well, you need to tie that up. You need to uncut this. Cut this and then rerun it back in there. It needs to go in there. Just rerun it back in there right now before I move. All right? Just cut it and rerun it back in them holes, and then I'll string it back up for you. Good catch. Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned, guys. Trying to get Cuz set up here. Get his line tied up. So the uni knot, what I normally do. Oh shit, I got hooked. A uni knot. So you go like this over your finger. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this one. All right. Now you bring that little tag in that you spun around it, a little loose piece, and bring it back to that same loop over your finger. Breeze is giving me a fight on this right now. All right, there you go. Like this. That's good. Pull on the tag in, and that's it. Uni knot. Alright, so let me cast it out for you real quick. Get you in that water real quick so you can pick something up. Alright, cuz, I'll show you one time again. Look, have 1 foot of line off up there, bring the bail up here. Alright, see that? Finger back here like this. Unlock this, which if you don't unlock it, then you come behind you, you hold this, and then as you go forward, you let your finger go. See it? Now your line, you just put tension back on the line and wait for that to hit the ground. You're gonna feel it hit the ground. It's gonna go down for a bit. You wanna see it? You see the tip of the rod bounce? That's when it hits the ground. You understand? It takes its time to go down to the floor. So now you have to control your line. I'm gonna go hunting, bro. See you in a second. Jamaican shore fishing. Cuz it's hunting. Cuz it's on the hunt, guys. Definitely hunting here. I know for your line, may I touch? Yeah, shore fishing. So we're on a hunt this morning, guys. Barra hunting. And that's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna be hitched in that bamboo up there. I better keep it above the ground. Keep it above, keep it above, keep it above. Alright, right there. Alright, got bait fish right there. Got lots of debris in the water from the hurricane, guys, so we're still doing a lot of cleanup here in Jamaica. Trying to hit these ambush spots where these barras might be hiding. Damn lure keeps on hitching up on me. Any hits yet, cuz? Put a bell on it. Put a bell on it. Damn it, I keep on getting hitched up on my wire lead. I don't know what's up. One of my lures bugging out. It's not swimming well right now. Not good, guys. cuz. Yeah? Want another one? Alright. Alright, buddy. Come on, calm down. We're gonna put you back, because you're kind of small. We're gonna get you back. You're a feisty little fella, though. Big fella hanging out here. Alright, we're gonna move down. I'll be up for him in a sec, cuz. Yeah, guys. Shore fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Trying to catch a little bit of fish here before the weather kicks in. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, and stay tuned for more epic hookups with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Bless up yourself.